Hey guys, how you doing? This is Bennett Watson, and thank you for joining me on this video. I shot this video to give you some Twitter MLM marketing tips, and one of these tips I'm going to share with you is how to get more engagement on your Twitter post. Guys, Twitter is such a fast-moving, fast-paced website, so if you want any kind of attention at all, you're going to have to really get people's attention. And the easiest way to do that is by posting images on your tweets. I know with a lot of social media sites, if you're blogging and you share an article, it really doesn't show an image. It just shows a link to your blog and a short message. So what I usually do is I'll go create a message, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. Or actually, I'll create an image. I'm sorry. And I will manually type this into Twitter instead of doing it through my blog. You'll get more engagement this way. See here, I put an image to get people's attention on my blog post. And you can see here, for this one, I'm using a app called Typorama, and I'm able to share that to Twitter through Typorama. It's a free app on the iPhone, and it has some really great backgrounds, and you can create your own messages, and they even have ones that are generated. So guys, I want to show you real quick how easy it is to get more engagement with your Twitter marketing. So what you want to go to do next is to go over to canva.com. And once you get signed up, it's pretty easy. It's free to do this. You go to create a design, and they have different categories. So with Twitter, what you can do is go down here and click Twitter post. I'm not going to give you a full tutorial on this because it's pretty simple to use this. But guys, what you can do is they've got these free images that you can use, and for whatever you're talking about, you can find something that will stick out to you. And you can actually upload your own images, and let me show you really quick what I've done. See here, you can just click on this, but you can get rid of this background picture. Maybe you just want to use this, but you can put whatever you want here, and you can put your own text, and you can design it any way you want. It's really easy. See the uploads here. These are the images that I've uploaded and created my own image. Let me see if I can pull up one that I've done. Okay, let's scroll down here. See, like these. Like this. I created this one. And I created this for YouTube. And this is the one for Twitter that I made here. It was easy. I just went over to Google Images and found some images, and I copied it and pasted it into here. I found a design I liked on Canva. Changed the wording to whatever I wanted. And that's basically it, guys. It's so simple. And what you do, you'll save it to your computer, and you'll go over to Twitter, and you will create a new tweet. You'll go here, add photos or videos, and you go to your downloads if you're on Mac. See here, I could go ahead and put this into Twitter. Let's see, I'm in the way here. Let me move over here. And bam. That's basically it. Let's go see what it looks like. See, there it is right there. It's going to catch somebody's eye right there. It's got the title, what the blog post is about. Go ahead and delete this. I don't need it. But you basically get the ideal, guys. You know, create a catchy image with it, whatever you're trying to promote. You know, Twitter MLM marketing tips is what I did, and my website right there, so people know who I am. Because guys, if you have a regular it's text message on Twitter, people are gonna, it's not even gonna get people's attention. They're not even gonna care about it. So guys, that's basically it for this post. Hey guys, if you're looking for some more Twitter MLM marketing tips, go ahead and click the link below. I've got a great training video on how to automate Twitter to generate leads or sell products or sell whatever you want on Twitter. That link is below this video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will create another one, and make sure you subscribe so you get access to my upcoming videos, because I'm going to be pushing them out quite often. Thanks.